I'm Sarah.
And I'm Bella, here to help Sarah out in the kitchen today.
And today we're making choc hazelnut protein balls. Let's get started.
Let's do it.
So the first thing you need is to have 500 grams of dates that have been soaked in hot water for about an hour, and then just drain them off before putting them in the food processor. After that, you want to add 1 can of chickpeas. And then 30 grams of coconut oil. Then you're just going to blend this up until a paste has formed.
Moça do corpo dourado do sol de Ipanema.
So once your paste has formed, you're going to throw in the hazelnuts. We've got 200 grams here. And then just pulse them until they're finely chopped. So once your hazelnuts have been finely incorporated, just going to take the blade out. And then we're going to add the rest of our dry ingredients. So we have 300 grams of hazelnut meal, 40 grams of chocolate protein, and then 100 grams of coconut flour, and 30 grams of cocoa powder. And then we just mix it up until a dough forms.
It's thicker.
Yeah.
You almost just want to get your hands in.
Yeah, I usually do get my hands in.
Looks like a big cake batter mix.
Yeah. That's gonna make a lot. I didn't realize it was so much. So if you want the protein balls to be a bit sweeter, what you can do is add in a tablespoon or 2 of rice malt syrup, just to add a bit of natural sweetness to it. Then you can just mix it all up again until a stickier dough forms. So once your dough has formed, all you have to do now is roll it into the desired size balls that you want, and then coat it in either coconut or you can do cocoa powder, but today we're going to do shredded coconut.
I like how they can go real smooth too. Like, these are great. Still bigger than yours.
It's still bigger than mine.
Really got to bring me on the size of those.
No, different size. It's all right.
I find when I eat them though, I kind of like it when they're smaller.
I like having smaller ones because you get more and then you don't feel so bad.
Yeah, they're not as filling too.
So we finished rolling the balls, and all you have to do now is pop them in the fridge for about 30 minutes until they're solid.
Just grab them out of the fridge and they're ready to try. Go.
Go on, do.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Awesome. They're very fluffy. I don't know, what are they? They're very datey. They're really good. I think the sweetness levels are on point. The more rice malt. These are perfect for bringing them to the gym, having them after as a post-gym snack. Bit of fuel before a surf, or just if I'm hungry, a good all-round snack.